In this video, I'll show you how you can delete a message on Snapchat once you've sent it without anyone seeing. I won't waste your time here because I know that you've got a message that needs deleting. So here's what you need to do. So you've either sent a text message or you've sent a photo. Now deleting the two are different. So if you sent an actual message, so I'm just going to send one here. If you sent an actual message, you can just hold on to the message and it's going to give you an option here to delete that message. It will tell you though that friends can see that you've deleted something, but that's much better than having the message stay up and your friends being able to see what that message is. So just click on delete chat and it will say here you deleted a chat, and that's all your friends will be able to see. Now if you've sent an embarrassing photo or you've sent a photo that you don't want anyone to see, the only way that you can go and delete that, unfortunately, is to actually go and delete your Snapchat account. So you can do that pretty quickly by just going to Google and typing in delete my account. It will take you to this page here and you can go to the accounts portal and delete your account if it is that bad of a situation where you actually need to delete your account. I don't know why Snapchat don't implement a feature to delete the photo within the first 2 minutes, but it is what it is. That's how you can delete a message on Snapchat, and if you really need to, you can delete your account, which will delete any photos as well.